Hello everybody, my name is Chris and today we're going to be doing a little extra fingerspelling practice, so stay tuned and let's learn the basics. As I mentioned, today we're going to be getting in a little extra fingerspelling practice. I know a lot of us are pretty comfortable with doing fingerspelling expressively, but it's our receptive skills that many times need a little extra practice. So today I'm going to be fingerspelling 3 different names at 3 different speeds. I'll fingerspell them at a fast speed, a medium speed, and a slow speed. That should be suitable for beginners. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first name is going to be at a medium speed and at the slowest speed. If you understood the fingerspelling of that name, go ahead and pause the video right now and go in the comments and type in that name. Here comes the second name. Again. And one more time. Okay, so if you understood that name, again, go ahead and pause the video and put that name down in the comments down below. And here comes the last and final name for today. Again. And one more time. Okay, so that's the last name for today. If you understood that name, go ahead and pause the video and put that name down in the comments down below. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you want more receptive fingerspelling practice videos like this, be sure to like the video so I know to make more of these. If you had a little bit of a hard time and you need to go back and rewatch some of those names, there's nothing wrong with that, and actually the more practice the better. And if you want a little more extra practice, I do have some other fingerspelling receptive videos which you can get to in the card up above, and I'll also leave a link in the description down below. And as I am recording this, it's actually February 28th, 2020, which means tomorrow is going to be February 29th, 2020. So one of the things that most of us feel like we don't have enough of is time. And this year we have that rare gift of time. We get an extra 24 hours, a whole extra day added to our year. So I put together a little article called A Rare Gift up on the website. If you want to get to it, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. But in that article, I just have some fun ideas of what you can do to really fully utilize that extra time. And I added some things like books you can read in a day, and some things that you could learn, or try something new. So if you want to check out that article, also I have a list of those books that you can read in a day. I'll leave all of that stuff in the links in the description down below. So what's really cool about this leap year in particular is that leap day falls on a Saturday. So it's really gives us this opportunity to go outside of our comfort zone or try something new or learn something new. And I'm actually pretty excited that I was able to work with Skillshare. And if you haven't heard of them, they're this online subscription-based service, but it's all classes. And so I have a link down in the description down below that will give you 2 free months of access to all of their classes. And they have classes on ASL, they have classes on how to learn how to draw, photography, film editing, even how to learn musical instruments. So there's a lot of fun classes. It's completely free if that's something that you might want to spend doing this leap day, or really gaining time going forward. And that link will give you unlimited access to all their classes that they have. And there's thousands of them, so there's lots of stuff that you can dive into. So I'm really excited to offer that to all of you. And if you're interested in supporting this channel so we can continue to make more free educational content, please feel free to drop by our Patreon page. And we also organize group practice sessions on a monthly basis. If that's something that you struggle with finding others to practice with, we organize and put students together of similar skill levels. so they can get that practice. And also we have one-on-one tutoring and one-on-one classes. If any of those things sound interesting to you, just feel free to visit the page, or feel free to reach out directly to me at chris@aslbasics.com. So if you found this video helpful at all, please go ahead and like and subscribe. You can ring that bell notification so that way you're updated anytime we upload something new. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.